is Andrii. I'm here with ARDMOR Windows Doors. I would like to show you the old windows before we replace them. So those old double hung, 48 years old, they have three major problems. The first is the big gap here, so it causes the draft of the cold air to the house. The second, the balancer is broken, so they don't operate properly. And the third problem here, the glass is outdated. It's not energy efficient, it does not have any argon gas. So let's replace them. Let's see how they're gonna become, and I'll show you the progress as we go. Hi, so we just finished installation of advanced windows and you can see them right here, how they done. So they open, close beautifully, they tilt for easy cleaning, as you can see it. Also each sash equipped with triple weather stripping, so window will never gonna be drafty as old window was before. It's been manufactured since 1995 and we have installed this window for last 9 years. It's really great option for anybody to have quality premium vinyl windows. We installed capping, we sealed everything, so it's gonna protect window from exterior element really great. So this is how it came out. I think it looks great.